Hello, Benny from Uncle Benny's Garage here. You know that, you clicked on the thing. Today, I'm hanging Christmas lights. Now, last year, our first year in the new house, got all excited when we put Christmas lights up. And I dug out the old stilts to hang the Christmas lights. Joan got all excited, made me dance in the street. But that wasn't the most exciting thing for me. The most exciting thing for me was making these little hangers. And what I wanted was something I could screw in to the inside of the wood that would have the little thingy and hold the little lights and let them clip in and that kind of a thing. And so I drew some up, printed them out of PETG or PETG as the kids are calling it nowadays. So it's been a year and I want to see how they've held up, left up there under the house. And we'll see. Maybe if they're all brittle and crack off, then I'll have to make some more or do something different. But if they held up great, then that's the test. That's a year that they've been there in the hot Vegas heat. And I'll put the file up there. It may already be up there somewhere online in case anybody else wants to do this, because it is Christmas light season. Got all my ladders out. I got a lot of ladders. All right, this is what we're doing. These are a little dusty. It's okay though. Santa's an old man. He doesn't mind a little dust. What am I doing? Am I looking at the screen? Am I looking at the camera part? That's weird. All right. Here's the things. Where are they? Boom, here's one of the black ones. These little connectors up here. And they hang. This one seems really strong. All right, oh, my nails are filthy, sorry. All right, here we go. But I had printed some, where are they? White ones over here as well. The inside of this is white, but the outside of it's dark, so that's why I made the dark ones. So the idea is that they just clip down in there, and then these little hooks hold the wires nice and straight, and they hold all the bulbs nice and straight. Because the straight Christmas lights, that's mwah. Hello. All right. Don't stand on or above. Also, don't use a A-frame ladder leaned against the thing. That's not OSHA approved. I don't mean to brag, but I did take a free 15-minute online OSHA ladder safety course. I'm certified. I know what you're thinking, Benny, how did you get so good at hanging Christmas lights? Well, I grew up in the Midwest, and in addition to politeness and customer service, we take our Christmas lights very seriously. So you're setting up your Christmas lights, you're figuring out where to put the hooks. You want them right on the corners. You want them right on the apex of the roof. When you do that, you gotta adjust the spacing for the very next light, and you do that right at the corner because that is gonna be hidden the most. No one's gonna see a weird spot. See, that one's spaced off. But when people look at the house, they're not gonna notice. Gutter downspout, the natural enemy of the Christmas light. Oh, is this lens dirty? It's been dirty this whole time. Never mind, a downspout joke. I'm not afraid of heights so much as I'm afraid of breaking roof tiles. The kid's over there watching me. I look over and he's standing there. I think he's waiting for me to see if I fall off the house. And I gotta admit, for like a second in my head, I was like, you know, the comedic value of that would be off the scales, but I decided against it. Now I'm regretting that decision. I know you're waiting to see me fall off the roof. I'm not making any promises. The lights were hung on the house with care in hopes that the power bill won't be a scare. Now these are last year's lights. I haven't decided yet what we're gonna add this year. It's tough. It's a tough decision. Do you wanna go the inflatables route? Do you wanna go the classic route? Do you wanna go... There's different ways you can go, and it's a decision that can affect your holiday decorations for years to come. I also think it's time to break down and buy some dedicated holiday light extension cords. I got these big industrial ones run everywhere, and I gotta find the timers and the light timers. You know what? I might have packed them away with the Halloween decorations. I'll bet they're there. But it's a good start. It's a good start. It never ends, but it's a good start. Here we go. All right, those green things might be a little bright. Okay, so the clips I was all excited to see if they've held up and could be reused year after year. And you know what? They're all super strong. Not one of them broke. Not one of them was brittle or anything. And I'm super happy with them. So they get my seal of approval. I'm gonna make sure that the files are online in case any of you are also frustrated with your current light situation and think they might help you. Yes, that'll be good. Now, I know what we have currently isn't Griswold Awards worthy yet. Give me time. Give me time. We'll get there. All right, thanks for watching Uncle Benny's Garage. I hope you're having a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you're okay. I do got another project I've been working on. I was hoping to get the video out actually this week, but you know me, I didn't get it done. So you get this instead, but that one's coming. Oh, it's coming. I'm excited about it. Da, 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 da. Yes, it's good. All right. Thanks again. Cheers.